Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Rockstar Games Launcher, fail to connect to the Rockstar Games Library Service, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on the Rockstar Games Launcher easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out the Rockstar Games Launcher, and once you close it, now you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here services.msc, and here you're going to find the service called Rockstar Games Library Service. So just click on any service, press R on your keyboard, now look for it. Here it is, Rockstar Games Library Service. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that it is either set to manual or automatic and it's not disabled. So mine is set to manual. I'm going to right click on it, click properties, click startup type, click automatic, and then click start. And after that click apply, OK, and then close this up. Go ahead and restart your computer, and once you're done with the restart, now when you open up your Rockstar Games Launcher, you'll see that it will connect correctly and you will not get that fail to connect error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.